short and also give you a good sense of what we're doing here today. At the outset, I'd like to really express my gratitude to Thane Municipal Corporation for hosting this and for the incredible partnership that we share. Malvi Sahib, thank you so much for being here. Birari ji, thank you so much for being here and for being a long-standing partners. And then, of course, Dr. Chetna, Dr. Santoshi. I'm safe to say that nothing we do in embed in Thane and in Maharashtra would have been possible without the both of you. So thank you for being our partners in this effort. Esteemed members of the media, welcome. Embed is an initiative of Godrej Consumer Products, which is a market leader in the household insecticides category. At GCPL, our purpose is to bring the goodness of health and beauty to consumers in emerging markets. And as a part of this purpose, protecting Indians everywhere, protecting all of our consumers in all their markets against mosquito-borne diseases like dengue and malaria is extremely core to what we do as a business with our products, but also as a responsible company and citizen with our CSR efforts through Embed. We started Embed in 2016. Since then, we have reached 28 million people across the country. Our partnership started in the states of Madhya Pradesh, scaled to Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and our most recent partner, something that really has touched us to the core of our hearts, is our partnership with Thane Municipal Corporation is home for us as Godrej. We are touching the lives of 62,000 people through the work we do with Embed. We are doing door-to-door awareness. We are helping people understand what is malaria, what is dengue, how to prevent it. How can we as citizens, really do our bit and help the municipal corporation and the government to ensure that their efforts are not in vain, that we are also doing what we need to as citizens. So this is our endeavor on ground. We work, we touch nearly 15,000 households across 100 wards, and we are absolutely, extremely enthusiastic about the kind of support we are seeing on ground and
CSR मुळे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये 9 फील्ड वर्कर आहेत, एक प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे आणि एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे. ते रेग्युलरली डेली आशा वर्कर्स बरोबर एरियामध्ये जातात आणि केस कुठे असेल तर केस फाइंडिंगमध्ये हेल्प करतात. तर हाऊस टू हाऊस सर्वे करून रॅडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, मलेरियाची जी ट्रीटमेंट कंप्लीट करायची पाहिजे पेशंटला त्याचा रेग्युलर फॉलोअप आशा वर्कर बरोबर घेतात आणि प्रत्येक पेशंटची मलेरिया ट्रीटमेंट कंप्लीट झाली का हे कन्फर्म करतात. ते पण फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्याशिवाय एरियामध्ये गेल्यानंतर कुठे पाणी साठलं असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये ब्रीडिंग म्हणजे मॉस्किटो तयार झाले, म्हणजे छोटी छोटी लार्वा तयार झालेली असतात, ते दिसल्यानंतर ते डिस्ट्रक्शन करतात. तर त्यांचा या स्टाफचा CSRच्या जे एम्बेड प्रोजेक्टचे जे स्टाफ्स आहेत त्यांचा ठाणे म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशनच्या हेल्थ सेंटर्सना आणि स्टाफला खूप हेल्प झाली आहे. त्याच्यामुळे पण आणि आमच्या स्टाफमुळे इन्क्लुडिंग एम्बेडच्या प्रोजेक्टच्या स्टाफमुळे पण टोटल नंबर ऑफ केसेस कम्पेअर टू 2023-2024 मध्ये केसेस कमी झालेले आहेत. त्यामुळे ठाणे म्युन्सिपल कॉर्पोरेशन तर्फे मी या सगळ्यांचं धन्यवाद करते अँड सेइंग थँक्यू सो मच फॉर हेल्पिंग अस इन दिस एलिमिनेशन ऑफ मॉस्किटो. थँक्यू सो मच.